Buddy, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on Instagram. To know how to fix or how to solve banned account on Instagram app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window or to the app of Instagram, and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that, you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You can search about Instagram. If you'll find here update, you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.